Say goodbye to window clutter. How to use the snap feature effectively. Master snap layouts and snap groups. Windows 11 makes multitasking simple with its snap layouts feature. Just hover your mouse over the maximize button on any window, and you'll see different layout options to neatly arrange your open apps. Once you set up your preferred layout, Windows remembers it as a snap group, so you can quickly restore your workspace whenever needed. This feature saves time and effort by eliminating the need to manually resize and position windows, helping you stay focused and productive. How to use Snap in Windows 11. Snap to side. Drag a window to the left or right edge to snap it to that half of the screen. Snap to corner. Drag a window to a corner to resize it to a quarter of the screen. Maximize vertically. Drag a window to the top to expand it vertically while keeping its width the same. Snap windows using keyboard shortcuts, Windows and left arrow. Snap the window to the left side. Windows and right arrow. Snap the window to the right side. Windows and up arrow. Move the window to the top half. Windows and down arrow. Move the window to the bottom half. Resize snapped windows. You can adjust the size of snapped windows by dragging the divider between them. Hover or tap the divider to see a resizing bar. Drag the bar to resize one window, and the others will adjust automatically to fit the space. This ensures an efficient use of your screen without any wasted space. Snap Assist. Snap Assist improves the snap feature, making it easier to organize your windows. When you move a window to one side of the screen, Snap Assist shows small previews of your other open windows. You can then quickly pick one to fill the other half of the screen. This makes arranging your workspace simpler and more efficient. Snap the first window. Select and drag a window to the edge of the screen until a translucent overlay appears. Release the window to snap it into place. Snap the second window. Select another open window from the thumbnails displayed by Snap Assist to snap it to the other half of the screen. Snap Layouts. The Snap feature in Windows offers predetermined layouts that you can choose from to organize all your open windows. After selecting a layout, Snap Assist is invoked to help you fill out the rest of the layout with other windows. Snap Flyout. The Snap Flyout helps you organize your windows easily. When you hover over the Maximize button on a window, a menu appears with different layout options. You can also press Windows key and Z to open it. Just pick a layout, and Snap Assist will guide you in arranging your other open windows to fit the chosen layout. The Snap Bar makes it easy to arrange your windows. Just drag a window to the top of the screen, and a menu will appear with different layout options. Choose a layout, and Snap Assist will help you organize your other open windows to fit the selected arrangement. Snap Groups make multitasking easier by keeping your snapped windows together. When you arrange multiple windows side by side, they are automatically saved as a group. This lets you quickly switch back to your preferred layout without setting it up again. If you open a new app and want to return to your Snap group, just hover over one of the app icons in the taskbar. You'll see an option to restore the whole group or just that app. Snap groups also appear in Task View and when using Alt+Tab, making it even more convenient to switch between tasks. Configure Snap Settings. Here's a list of settings available for the Snap feature and how to configure them. In the Settings app on your Windows device, select System, Multitasking. Use the Snap Windows toggle to turn Snap on or off. To customize Snap, expand the Snap Windows section and select the options you prefer by using the checkboxes. When I snap a window, show what I can snap next to it, enables or disables Snap Assist. Show Snap Layouts when I hover over a Windows Maximize button, enables or disables the Snap Flyout. Show Snap Layouts when I drag a window to the top of my screen, enables or disables the Snap Bar. Show my snapped windows when I hover over the taskbar apps in Task View, and when I press Alt and Tab, enables or disables Snap Groups. When I drag a window, let me snap it without dragging all the way to the screen edge. Enables snapping windows without having to drag them all the way to the edge of the screen. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe to stay updated on future content.